top 10 nouns of English. The English language has over 150,000 words. But can you guess the top 10, the top most used nouns of the English language? You have 5 seconds for each. Then we'll review. Ready, set, go.
What's up, world? Let's get it poppin' with CC Mixer. It's your boy Jeff Williams. Word. What's up, young world? It's Jeff Williams.
And Jay Lane.
You're listening to CC Mixer.
Always.
Okay, let's review the answers. 1. Time. What time is it? 2. Year. The year has 4 seasons. 3. People. There are many people. 4. Way. No way. 5. Day. Today is Friday the 13th. 6. Man. He is the Old Spice man. 7. Thing. This is a strange thing. 8. Woman. She's a beautiful woman. 9. Life. Life is beautiful. 10. Child. The child has blonde hair. How did you do it? How many did you get?